At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a bathroom remodeling business can be an exciting venture, but it requires careful planning and execution. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research the market. Understand the demand for bathroom remodeling services in your area. Analyze your competitors to identify their strengths, weaknesses, and pricing strategies. 2. Develop a business plan. Outline your business goals, target market, services offered, pricing structure, marketing strategies, and financial projections. A well-thought-out business plan will guide your decisions and help you secure funding if needed. 3. Legal considerations. Choose a suitable business structure, e.g., sole proprietorship, LLC, and register your business with the appropriate authorities. Obtain any necessary licenses or permits required to operate a remodeling business in your area. 4. Secure funding. Determine the startup costs for your business, including equipment, tools, marketing expenses, and initial working capital. Explore funding options such as personal savings, bank loans, or investors. 5. Build a team. If you plan to hire employees, carefully select skilled workers with experience in bathroom remodeling. Alternatively, you may start as a solo contractor and expand your team as your business grows. 6. Set up your workspace. Establish a dedicated workspace for planning, administrative tasks, and storing equipment and materials. Ensure your workspace complies with safety regulations and is conducive to efficient workflow. 7. Acquire necessary tools and equipment. Invest in high-quality tools and equipment needed for bathroom remodeling projects, such as power tools, hand tools, safety gear, and transportation vehicles. 8. Source suppliers and materials. Build relationships with reliable suppliers of building materials, fixtures, and fittings. Negotiate favorable terms and bulk discounts to maximize profitability. 9. Develop marketing strategies. Create a professional website showcasing your services, portfolio, customer testimonials, and contact information. Utilize social media, local advertising, and networking to attract potential clients. Consider offering special promotions or discounts to generate initial interest. 10. Provide exceptional service. Focus on delivering high-quality workmanship and excellent customer service to build a positive reputation and generate repeat business and referrals. Communicate effectively with clients, manage expectations, and address any concerns promptly. 11. Manage finances. Keep accurate records of your income and expenses and implement efficient invoicing and payment systems. Monitor your financial performance regularly to identify areas for improvement and ensure profitability. 12. Adapt and grow. Stay informed about industry trends, new technologies, and customer preferences. Continuously seek opportunities to expand your services, improve efficiency, and differentiate your business from competitors. Starting a bathroom remodeling business requires hard work, dedication, and a commitment to delivering outstanding results. By following these steps and staying focused on customer satisfaction, you can build a successful and profitable enterprise over time. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.